Choose a motorcycle dirt bike. In choosing a motorcycle dirt bike, a lot of things must be considered. A motor dirt bike is used for the closed all-terrain, off-road circuit. There are many sports that use this motor vehicle. One of which is freestyle, a different variation of Supercross. The motocross used will not be racing. Instead, it concentrates on making acrobatic stunts while it jumps. The Supermoto is a race of the bikes on pavement and dirt. Some tracks have beams, jumps and hoops. Supercross is another racing sport that is done on a motocross dirt track. It also has jumps and obstacles. There are many models of bikes to choose from. If you learn more about motorbikes, you will know if you want to buy the high-technology dirt bike, pocket bike, or the Orion pit bike. Here are some pointers in choosing a motorcycle dirt bike. Height and weight. Some of the things considered in choosing the right motorcycle bike are the height and weight of the person going to ride it. You should feel comfortable when you ride it. This will tell you if you have control over the bike. The best way to know is when you sit on the bike and touch the ground. You should still feel stable. However, as long as you can touch the ground with one foot, then you are capable of holding up your bike. The motorcycle dirt bike weight and your weight is a different case. Always make sure to buy a bike that has just enough grunt or get up and go for you. Also, take into account if the bike is too heavy for you to pick up from the ground. This happens when you have a little get off. You can test it. Lay down the bike down and see if you can manage to pick it up alone. Choosing between the 2-stroke or the 4-stroke. There is a big difference between the 2-stroke and 4-stroke through its power delivery. Power delivery for 4 strokes is smooth, while it is abrupt and harder to control for the 2-stroke. Before, the 4 strokes can be sluggish and heavy and is not the best choice for a race bike. The manufacturers have developed their equipment and spent a lot of resources for research for race bikes that are 4-stroke. The new versions of the 4-stroke now have smooth power and are snappier and lighter. Comparing the CCS of the two motorcycles, the 2-stroke has more power than the 4-stroke. The 2 strokes are more powerful than some smaller 4 strokes. Considering the riding. Are you looking for a bike you can bring on a trail to be dual functional, trail and road, or only for tracks? The 4-stroke is the best choice for the trail riding and has a better suspension for jumping like the 50F, 4-stroke, or 125 cubic centimeters, 2-stroke. Always bring a helmet for protection and consider the plastic accessories for your bike to avoid accidents. Wide range of equipment. Having a dirt bike means having to purchase the proper equipment for your body and of course your bike. Always have your motorcycle checked by your local mechanic to see if any dirt bike parts like spark plugs or the exhaust need changing. Trust the brand that is popular like Yamaha parts or Kawasaki depending on what model you are using. Bringing the motocross bike outdoors is what enthusiasts do. There are some car carriers that you can carry your bike so that you may bring this anywhere where the trail is. When you have chosen the right bike, you are already on your way to becoming an extreme athlete. If you need more tips, there are a lot of dirt rider magazines that can give you more information on what bike you should choose.